sprechen, haben, treffen, helfen, sehen, waschen. These are some of the irregular verbs that we have in the German language. These verbs are irregular because they are conjugated differently. How many irregular verbs can you conjugate in the do form? Let's see. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the January special, that is the 15-day challenge, today we have verb conjugation. That means you will be getting 25 irregular verbs that you have to conjugate in the do form. Verb Conjugation. See the verb and you will have 5 seconds to conjugate it in the do form. For example, wohnen, du wohnst. After 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed. So, let's begin. Laufen, sprechen, lesen, essen, dürfen, können, sehen, schlafen, fahren, helfen, geben, fressen, treffen, vergessen, nehmen, backen, waschen, werfen, fangen, haben, messen, tragen, sein, stehlen, sterben, That's it. So, how many of your answers were correct? If you want, you can watch the video once again and conjugate the verbs once again. Just like all other videos in this series, for the patrons there won't be any transcript, summary, extra worksheet, or podcast. However, by becoming a $5 patron, you can get an early access to this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!